My friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been about a week or so since I uploaded a video. If you haven't done also already, please like and subscribe. Tell your buddies about it. Help the channel grow. Before we jump into the video, you guys know the deal. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm doing and all the content that I put out, whether it's through here, my Discord, or anything like that, is all about educational purpose. I want you to be a maximum informed trader, an investor, and so everything I'm doing, I don't want to give you guys any recommendations to buy or sell anything. I want you to have a ton of knowledge at the tips of your fingers so you can make the best decision for you and your family and your portfolio. If you haven't done so already, please follow me on Twitter, Colin_Gladman. It's the easiest way to, you can send me a DM if you got a question. Easiest way to keep up with everything that I see going on intraday, things of that nature. So having said that, wanted to make a quick update on AMC and kind of what I'm seeing as far as what I think the rest of this week. It's a short week. We've only got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday left. So just like I said, wanted to make a video to let you guys kind of know I wasn't able to do my weekly outlook video because July 4th and everything along those lines. So wanted to get in here, get an update. So this morning I tweeted out that if 1290 holds, then we could see a pushback up to 1367. Once 1367 breaks, then we can be looking at 1450. And everything that I'm talking about here, once again, is more intraday or intra-week, if you will, not bigger macro scales. So today, honestly, wasn't a good day. Everything opened up awful on the market, and then the rest of the market recovered while AMC stayed relatively flat the rest of the day. We did close below our more macro 0.5 fib. So where that's coming from is it's coming from the low back over here, May 12th, the high over here on May the 31st. And as you can see, the fibs have been given very good levels of what is important. If you followed me long enough, you know the deal that I say there's lots of important levels on every stock, and everything that happens in between it is relatively noise, okay? So once we broke below the 0.5 fib, so it acted as support 1, 2, 3 times. The fourth time, enough test happened that it broke underneath it. And then, like I said, we traded relatively flat the rest of the day while the market dumped in the morning and then really rocketed, and a lot of things finished green, including SPY and things of that nature. So what I think is going to be most likely here is, especially if the overall market starts to recover, is I think we'll push back up here and get another test at $12.92. Obviously, it would be wonderful if it pushes through that. Then once again, we can start looking at a test back up here at this 1367 level. What I think is the most likely thing to happen, and once again, if you followed me long enough, that's what I deal in. I deal in most likely. So what I think is most likely to happen is we might push up here, and then we might get rejected right here. I think it's most likely we probably will come back down here, maybe push up for one more retest, or maybe even make a lower high, and then start coming back down here. And finishing out the week right around here, right around this $12 range, which would get us to the golden pocket and towards our more macro uptrend that we have been following once again from our low down here. And the reality is once again, that's not fun this week, but so long as our overall, macro move stays intact where we're creating the higher lows, then overall, once again, it's a good thing. Top Gun has been killing it. Jurassic Park killed it. Minions had, record-breaking weekend this weekend. Thor is coming out. So overall, the box office numbers are going to be, looking good. I still think my personal opinion is we're below a fair value for AMC, but I don't set that number, right? I just analyze the chart, try to help you guys out. So I think more than likely, though, that's probably going to be what happens, is a rejection here, or just this is kind of becoming a little bear flag here, and we'll just spill over, finishing out the week once again right around here at the golden pocket area. Shout out to Bronx Viking in my Discord. He called this out where he was talking about how on the 1 hour, AMC right here had lost the 200 moving day average on the 1 hour, and that caused the push down here. We're about to have the 20 cross over the 50. So there's just, it's just the EMAs don't look great here. The 1348, we had a cross down right here. That doesn't look great overall. Once again, I think we'll push up, probably test some of these EMAs again, and then most likely get rejected off. I know that's not what everybody wants to hear, but I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm telling you what I see on the chart. Always happy to be wrong. You guys know the deal there too. If I go out here to the daily though, and we look at the Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Bands are still tight. We came down here, broke below the moving average in the Bollinger Bands briefly, and then closed above. That's actually a good sign. So, like I said, I'm probably about 65-35, more bearish of finishing the end of this week towards the $12 range than I am pushing towards the upside. That 15-minute RSI started to get a little oversold. We saw a little bit of buying pressure coming in towards the end of the day. But overall, that is what I'm seeing as of right now for AMC. Trying to keep this video as short as I possibly can for you guys. So, once again, come up here, retest, and fail a retest, or just make a lower high altogether. We're going to test the golden pocket again. If we break above that 1290 area, especially if we got a little bit of significant volume coming with us, then we should be able to retest the point. That'll be the 0.382, right? Yep, yeah, the 0.382 up here at this 1367. Once we can get past that 1367, then we can start looking at that super important range of right around the 1450. But I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. I hope you had a wonderful week. Once again, follow me on Twitter, like and subscribe if helpful. I will see you guys out there in the Twitterverse, and if anything super important happens, I'll make another AMC video. I try not to overload anybody with AMC videos or every single day or anything like that. I really only try to make a video whenever I see important things happening. So, hope you have a good one. See you guys on the next video.